Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus V3607V. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus V3607V is failing to boot or is stuck at the BIOS screen, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a corrupted BIOS or a failure in the BIOS extraction tool. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, including complete device failure. To resolve this, we'll walk you through the steps needed to fix the problem effectively. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage, a plastic spudger to help open the device, and a new BIOS chip if replacement is necessary. First, let's safely open your Asus V3607V. Start by removing any screws on the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Ensure you place them in a safe location as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. After you've successfully removed the back panel, locate the BIOS chip, which is often situated near the motherboard. It will be a small rectangular component, usually labeled. If you're unsure, refer to your device manual or an online guide for specific identification. To remove the faulty BIOS chip, gently use the spudger to lift it out of its socket, applying even pressure on both sides. Be cautious not to damage the surrounding components during this process. Once removed, take your new BIOS chip and align it properly with the socket. Press it down gently but firmly until it clicks into place. Before reassembling your device, double-check all connections and ensure that there are no loose cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, let's put the back cover back on. Align it properly and press down until you hear a click, ensuring all clips are secured. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover tightly. To check if your repair was successful, power on your Asus V3607V. If it boots up normally, congratulations! You've successfully fixed the issue. To prevent this problem from occurring again, ensure your device is regularly updated and avoid sudden power cuts. Always use a reliable power supply and consider a UPS for added protection. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.